Hey there, decorators around the world. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of small patio decoration ideas and tips. Whether you're working with a cozy balcony or a compact outdoor space, there are plenty of ways to transform it into your own little oasis. First things first, let's talk about the advantages of decorating a patio. One major perk is that it extends your living space. Think of your patio as an additional room where you can relax, entertain guests, or simply soak up some sun. It's a fantastic way to make the most out of your home, especially if you're tight on indoor space. Decorating your patio also allows you to showcase your personal style. Whether you're into modern minimalism, bohemian vibes, or rustic charm, there are endless decor options to suit your taste. Plus, adding plants, outdoor rugs, and comfy seating can create a welcoming atmosphere that's perfect for unwinding after a long day. Now, let's get into some decoration ideas and tips for small patios. One key strategy is to maximize vertical space. Since you might not have a lot of room to spread out horizontally, look for ways to go up. Wall-mounted planters, hanging baskets, and trellises are all great options for adding greenery and visual interest without taking up precious floor space. Speaking of greenery, plants are your best friend when it comes to patio decor. Not only do they add a pop of color and texture, but they also help create a sense of tranquility. Opt for low-maintenance varieties like succulents, herbs, or ferns if you're new to gardening or have a busy schedule. When it comes to furniture, choose pieces that are scaled to fit your space. Look for compact bistro sets, foldable chairs, or built-in benches that won't overwhelm the area. You can also get creative with multifunctional furniture, like a storage ottoman that doubles as seating or a side table. Now, let's talk about pergolas. These stylish structures not only add architectural interest to your patio, but also provide practical benefits. For starters, they offer shade and protection from the elements, allowing you to enjoy your outdoor space rain or shine. Plus, you can customize your pergola with curtains, string lights, or climbing plants to create a cozy, intimate atmosphere. Another advantage of having an outdoor patio is the opportunity for al fresco dining. There's something special about enjoying a meal outdoors, whether it's a casual brunch with friends or a romantic dinner under the stars. Set the mood with ambient lighting, soft cushions, and a stylish outdoor dining set. Of course, one of the biggest advantages of having a patio is the chance to connect with nature. Spending time outdoors has been shown to reduce stress, boost mood, and improve overall well-being. So take advantage of your patio as a peaceful retreat where you can unwind, read a book, or simply bask in the beauty of your surroundings. When it comes to choosing decor for your small patio, remember that less is often more. Opt for a cohesive color scheme and stick to a few key pieces to avoid overcrowding the space. This will help create a sense of balance and harmony, making your patio feel inviting and comfortable. Don't forget to add some cozy touches to make your patio feel like an extension of your indoor living space. Soft outdoor cushions, throw blankets, and decorative pillows can instantly elevate the comfort level and encourage you to spend more time outside. Lighting is another important element to consider when decorating your patio. String lights, lanterns, and solar-powered lamps are all great options for adding ambience and extending your outdoor enjoyment into the evening hours. Plus, they can help create a magical atmosphere that's perfect for entertaining or cozying up with a good book. Don't be afraid to get creative and think outside the box when it comes to decorating your patio. DIY projects like pallet furniture, painted plant pots, or handmade artwork can add a personal touch and make your space truly unique. And don't be afraid to mix and match different styles and textures to create a look that's all your own. Now that you've got some great ideas for decorating your small patio, let's recap the advantages of having an outdoor space like this. Having a patio allows you to maximize your living area without the need for costly renovations or expansions. It's like adding an extra room to your home where you can relax, entertain guests, or simply enjoy some fresh air. A well-decorated patio can significantly enhance the aesthetic appeal of your home. It's like adding curb appeal to the exterior, creating a welcoming and inviting atmosphere for both residents and visitors alike. Furthermore, patios provide a versatile space that can be used for a variety of activities. Whether you're hosting a barbecue with friends, enjoying a quiet morning coffee, or practicing yoga in the sun, your patio can adapt to suit your lifestyle and preferences. In addition, having a patio allows you to connect with nature and enjoy the great outdoors right from the comfort of your own home. Studies have shown that spending time outside can have numerous health benefits, including reducing stress, boosting mood, and improving overall well-being. And let's not forget about the value that a well-maintained patio can add to your property. A beautifully landscaped outdoor space can increase the resale value of your home and make it more attractive to potential buyers. Having a patio gives you the perfect excuse to indulge in some outdoor decorating fun. From choosing the perfect plants to selecting stylish furniture and accessories, decorating your patio allows you to express your personal style and create a space that reflects your personality and tastes. Decorating a small patio is not only a fun and rewarding project, but also a fantastic way to make the most out of your outdoor space. Whether you're looking to create a cozy retreat for relaxation or a stylish entertaining area for hosting friends and family, there are endless possibilities for turning your patio into a true outdoor oasis. Remember, the key to successful patio decoration is to think creatively, maximize your space, and infuse your personal style into every element. Whether you choose to add plants, furniture, lighting, or decorative accents, the goal is to create a space that feels like an extension of your indoor living area. In conclusion, decorating a small patio is all about making the most of your space and expressing your personal style. Whether you're adding plants, furniture, or stylish accessories, the key is to create a welcoming atmosphere where you can relax and enjoy the great outdoors. So get creative, have fun, and turn your patio into the ultimate relaxation destination. Decorating a small patio is all about creating a space that reflects your personality and lifestyle. Whether you're a green thumb gardener, a social butterfly, or a laid-back lounger, there are endless possibilities for making your patio the ultimate outdoor retreat. So roll up your sleeves, unleash your creativity, and get ready to enjoy your own little slice of paradise. So don't let a small patio size hold you back. With a little creativity and ingenuity, you can transform even the tiniest outdoor space into a stylish and inviting retreat. Whether you're sipping cocktails under a pergola, enjoying a meal with loved ones, or simply basking in the sunshine with a good book, your patio has the potential to become your favorite spot in the house.